What's going on YouTube? Dio aka Bonds Urban Tech Reviews, and today on the channel I'll be showing you the difference between a real pair of Apple AirPods and a fake pair of Apple AirPods. Let's get into it. Now these weren't sold to be Apple AirPods. They weren't named Apple AirPods or anything like that. They just stole the basic design of the Apple AirPods. Now I got these at Walmart and I paid like 15 bucks for them. So this is what they look like. The iHip SoundPods wireless earbuds. Bluetooth connectivity, rechargeable, built-in microphone, ergonomic comfort design. Charging case included. So that's what they look like. Now, if you look down here, you see they kind of resemble the AirPods. Check out the back of the box. Same thing, gives you the package, what they include, specifications, and features. All that mumbo jumbo. But this is the main event. This is what you want to see, so let's get into it. So this on my left is the real deal Holyfield Apple AirPods. This right here on my right, as you can see by the name on the case, is the iHip SoundPods. Alright, so you see the cases, not really similar. Yeah, they're white cases, but totally different. This one is massive, this one is a lot smaller. Even though this one is bigger, this one is heavier. There's no button on the front of the actual AirPod charging case. The actual button is on the back here. The button on the iHip is in the front of the charging case, and the charging port is in the back of the iHip, to where the charging port on the AirPods are on the bottom. Now this right here just takes a mini USB cord, to where this takes the lightning port. Now I'm not thinking that anybody's really going to get these confused with each other once you see them, but you know, just for them people who live under a rock who might pick these up from Walmart and think that they actually have a pair of Apple AirPods. Now, when you take the lid off the AirPods, you see it actually flaps. It's a hinge that keeps it connected. When you take the lid off of the SoundPods, it just comes off. All right. When you look down into the SoundPods, you can see a red illuminating light. When you look down into the AirPods, you don't see any light, but you do see the green LED indicator. All right. You can also see on these, there's a blue light on the front. It tells you that they are charging, and I think the red light is when you're charging the case actually. So when you put the charger in here and you go to charge the case, the red light on the left side will pop up, and when it's actually charging the earbuds, then the blue light will pop up. So let me show you what one of these looks like. Alright, so I'll take out for these, tell you which one it is. Nope. Alright, so I'll just take out whichever one is on this side. So when you look at the size difference, massive. Alright. This one's a lot bigger, a lot thicker, it's longer. It's just, you know, you can tell it's phony. So if you look at the AirPod on the actual ones, you can see that there's a right ear indicator, to where it is on these ones there's no indicator. Also, if you look at the grill on these, the grill on the actual ones is a lot darker. Then there's, you know, a hole here, and then there's holes here. None of that on here, but you do have the hole that's on the actual stem. But then there's no speaker grill up here as well, and there's a button on this one, and that probably turns it on. If you look at the bottom of it, same thing. There's a, well, actually I don't even think there's a speaker grill on this one. Yeah, there's no speaker grill on this one, so where there is a speaker grill on the actual AirPod. Let me do a sound test real quick to see if the sound quality is any different. Now I'm listening to the sound in these. In the left one, I'm gonna put the other one in too. I think you got to connect them separately. Let me see. Yeah. So you got to connect these separately. So there's power buttons on both of them. You see there's indicator on there, power button, indicator on there. You see one's already connected, so you click that one and then you got to connect the second one. So you got to connect two of these. Alright, so the sound quality in these is pretty much how I figured it to be. It's nowhere near the actual sound quality of the AirPods. The quality in these is kind of trash. It's really trash actually. Really no volume. You can hear everything around you, and for some odd reason, it's like it couldn't connect both ears at one time. So it was like I clicked this button to connect it, so because when I put the left one in my ear and I hit the button, then the right one turned off, but it was playing on the left one. So then when I hit the button on the right one, the left one turned off. So I don't know what that's about, and I really don't care. I know what this was going to be. So all in all, I just wanted to give you a quick video and show you that I better not see anybody walking around with these iHip SoundPods in their ear and be trying to front like they AirPods, because you will get clowned. But no, on the real note, I just wanted to show y'all the difference between the official AirPods, Apple AirPods, and a pair of fake ones. So now you have it, now you see it, and these are probably going in a box somewhere. Matter of fact, if anybody want these, hit me up. Hit me up. I will send these to you. If you in dire need of a pair of wireless earbuds, I will send these to you. These right here. I will mail these to you in the mail. Hit me up in the comment section or hit me on Instagram, Urban Tech Reviews, and I will send these to somebody. All right, somebody who's in need if you really need them. All right. But it's Urban Tech Reviews. If you like this video, click that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you can do that easily by clicking on the Android guide in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you're not following me on all my social media sites, then all you got to do is go into the description, click every one of them links, and follow me on every one of my social media sites. And we out to the next one. Stay blessed.